Good evening, folks. On a good Sunday, down here in Kannapolis, North Carolina, taking care of the mildew and allergy on this house. As you can see it, I'm gonna take care of this for the customer. Stay tuned before and after pictures. Just finished my sister's house up in Kannapolis, North Carolina. Had to take care of all this for her. Take care of my family. Take care of my sister, my brothers, my mom. Got that taken care of. I love her layout. All up there for 11. I got it right for her. Got it looking good. You see the business always advertising. I'm always advertising. Like I said, down here in Kannapolis, North Carolina. Don't forget my cones, her charger. Got the landscape looking good. Got what I was shining for. I got her right. She know it too. I did another house up the street, but they won't let me take before and after pictures. So it's all good. But I did that one in the middle last year. See the big name? Oh yeah, as I get through, you see the yard sign in there. You see what it say? Call for a free estimate. 336-687-0288. A more beautiful home for less. You can also find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I got a Facebook page, business page. So check me out.